Curb appeal. This 4-bedroom center hall Colonial offers 4+ acres, a lemonade sipping front porch, a large deck overlooking the yard, 2-story entrance foyer, 2.5 baths, first floor laundry room, walkout BSMT formal living room, dining room, large master suite with walk-in and SBA-like private bath with jetted tub, separate shower and double vanity. 3 other large bedrooms, 2 with walk-in closets. Kitchen and family room have that open floor plan, excellent for entertaining, sliders to huge deck overlooking the grounds and in-ground pool. Lots of windows fill the house with natural light and make for a bright and cheerful living space.